forget everything you knew. Hello SEO learners, do you know SEO in 2025 is a whole different game? Google is not just scanning your content. It understands more about the human world, behavior, even can think like a human. So if you are still using the old strategy, chances are you are invisible. So what strategy you should follow now? Let's uncover. Major Google SEO changes in 2025. Number 1. Expansion of AI feature in search results. Google is now using more AI. There is a feature called AI Overviews or AIOS. Now Google is not showing only the links. It shows a short, smart answer at the top. To get your content there, you need to write clear, helpful answers that sound like you know what you are talking about. For example, if you search how to clean white shoes, Google might show a short answers like using baking soda and water, scrub gently, then air dry. If your blog or website has that kind of answer, Google might choose it and shows it in the AIO. Number 2. Emphasize on user intent over keywords. SEO in 2025 is not just about using the right keyword anymore. Google is getting smarter. It understands what people really mean when they search, even if they don't use exact words. So instead of stuffing your content with keywords, focus on helping the user. Try to answer their real questions clearly. For example, if someone types, "Why I am always tired?" Google knows they might be looking for things like sleep tips, stress advice, or health info, even if they didn't type those exact words. That's why your content should match what the person wants to know, not just the words they type. Number 3. Mobile search experience enhancements. Google is making mobile search results look cleaner. Now, instead of showing a long, messy URL with all the folders and slashes, it just shows the website name. This makes it easier to read on a small screen. For example, instead of seeing something like this thing, you will see something like this one. This won't change your Google ranking, but it does change how people see your site. A clear and trusted domain name can make users more likely to click on your link. Number 4. Increased focus on content quality and spam policies. Google is cracking down on low quality and spammy content. They have added new rules to stop people from tricking the system, like flooding the internet with AI written things or copy another site's thing and paste into yours. Sad news is, these things will not get you clicks, and SEO is all about clicks. Then now, what changes and what's the new formula? But first, what does this mean for you? Simple. You need to focus on real, helpful, high quality content. No shortcuts. Number 5. Recent major update. Google made some big changes in March 2025. It will show more useful and satisfied content to people searching online, especially in sensitive areas like health and finance. Some websites may have seen sudden drop in ranking for this update. What's important here is that Google is doing these updates recently a lot. They did one in December 2024 and then another in March 2025. That's something that is scary, right? But it shows that Google is improving its search system faster than before. So you will need to stay on top of these changes to keep your rankings. Number 6. Multi-channel and multi-format SEO. SEO isn't just about getting your website to show up only in Google anymore. Now it shows in AI chatbots, answering machines, and even social media. That means marketers need to create content that's not only useful but also engaging across all the different platforms. It's tough, I know. How to convince an AI system to show you link inside their result? Perplexity is doing already. Now ChatGPT starts. The big question? What to do? Most important thing is create content that is real and valuable, created by experts in the subject. Who knows? Maybe AI can understand who is the better writer, you or me. So the thing will help you be yourself and always try to improve. This approach helps us getting big crowds. Number 7. Recalibration of forum content and programmatic pages. The March 2025 update shows that Google is now less likely to rank forum websites that were previously getting a lot of visibility. Just having forum content isn't enough anymore. However, Reddit is still doing well. showing that it's not all forums that are affected. Another big changes is that site using programmatic content or some automatically generated pages not have real user value, they saw their rankings drop. This highlights that Google is really focusing on content that actually helps users, not just content made to trick the system. At Ecomclips, we know how challenging it can be and stay on the top of the latest trend in e-commerce and digital marketing. Whether you are looking to boost your sales, improve your SEO, or build a strong online presence, we are here to help. These are some websites we rank. If you're ready to take your website to the next level, reach out to us today. Email us at info@ecomclips.com. Let's make your SEO journey easier and rank it together.